Hey everybody, David Howard of BuzzBoard here, revisiting our ongoing series of exploring the data in BuzzBoard's 30 million business strong database of small, mid-sized, and local business. I'm going to keep it short this week. Got some feedback that some of these videos run a little bit too long, so I'm going to try to keep it under 5 minutes. And with that, I'm going to jump right into it. So again, before I turn on the screen, we normally do this through the lens of a digital agency that's looking for new customers, new small businesses, local businesses to work with and sell to. And we do it by geo and category. Let me turn on my screen. There we go. So this time we're looking at advertising, the advertising category in Austin, Texas. Queued this up and I'll take you through the filters. We're just going to go through the filters this time. And the next time I'll take you through the capabilities we have to push button generate content with generative AI to do your outreach with. So in Austin, Texas, we've identified about 1,400 prospects in the advertising category. You can see some of the names here. You can narrow that list down or you can make it broader and show you how that works. What I want to focus on is the estimated buzz score. That's this value here. It's a index from 1 to 100, 100 being better, 1 being not so good. It's a measure of digital maturity. We create an aggregate of digital signals for each business. And we try to estimate with that. Do they have shopping carts? Do they have a really sophisticated website? How big of a digital presence outside of their website do they have? What our agency customers tell us is there tends to be a sweet spot in that buzz score value of 50 to 75. And I'll show you how you could prospect within BuzzBoard Ignite and narrow those down. So the prospect tab over here is the starting point to explore the data in the BuzzBoard database. And we can adjust our filters. I've got Austin selected. If I want to go a little bit bigger, say a 40-mile radius outside of Austin, you can see it's going to update the filters. Looks like we've got 145,000 prospects broadly in Austin in these advertising categories, or 145,000 total, pardon me, 1,700 in the 40-mile radius in these advertising categories. Now, let's say we want to narrow down only if they have a website. That's it's already checked off. I talked to somebody the other day who actually wanted it the other way. I sell websites. I want to talk to people who we know don't have a website because I want to go in and I want to sell them website creation services. So don't assume that you always want to be looking for somebody who's got a website. Now, let's see, where's the estimated buzz score? So like I said, in the 50 to 75 range is kind of a sweet spot. And let's see, the advertising, if you're an agency that say you really specialize in Facebook ads and Google ads, and you want to narrow your list down there, then you're going to press find. As you might imagine, the more filters, generally, the more filters you add, the narrower you're going to get. One exception is this expanding the radius. If you just search in Austin without a radius set, and then you expand the radius, you're going to start with a broader list. But as you can see, we're down to about 116 new prospects in the advertising category in Austin that have a website, that have a buzz score between 50 and 75. You can see that over here on the right-hand side. And we're going to stop there to keep this short. But the next step to start your prospecting, and I'll get into it in a bit more detail in the next video, the next step is to click the add button. It's going to copy everything we know about this business from the BuzzBoard Central Database to your profile, which is a subset of the BuzzBoard database. And that's where you're going to start engagement. Your push button content generation with AI, creating emails, short messages for outreach, and all the analyses that we offer, SWOT analysis, context, summaries, and so on. You're going to have to wait for the next video for that one. In the meantime, good to have you watching, and keep staying tuned. If you want to try the BuzzBoard Ignite platform for free, you go to buzzboard.ai, that's www.buzzboard.ai, and there's a big green free trial button up in the top right. So again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're going to have more videos coming up.